Proposals, price action, and potential. Man, I am telling you, Terra Luna Classic has it all. And that's what we're going to be covering in this video. We've got a new proposal out there from Classy Crypto to combat all of the spam that you see out in the wallets and in the voting. You know, you've got all of these guys. We tried to alleviate it a couple of months ago with increasing the deposit amount in order to decrease the amount of proposals that are meant to scam people out of their Terra Luna Classic. So we're going to be discussing that a little bit because they want to increase the deposit amount, not only to vote on a Terra Luna Classic proposal, but to get the proposal up in the first place. We're going to be talking about the price action of Terra Luna Classic. I know it has been very stagnant lately, but you got to look at the levels of support and resistance if you want to know where it's going in the future, and of course, the potential for 2023. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you guys don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all of that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, holding on these exchanges might not be the best idea right now. All of the centralized exchanges are still risky, especially with the fallout of FTX kind of reverberating through the community there. Might want to hold on a decentralized or a cold storage wallet. Now, guys, let's discuss Terra Luna Classic. I'm going to jump into this proposal right here. We're going to spend a couple minutes on it just to see. It's not a huge one. It's not a long one. It's really not that crazy, but it does have its pros and cons. So, in summary, this two-part proposal, 6082, which we initially started to combat the spam proposals. The main reason for increasing the deposit amount is to significantly cut down on the amount of proposals which will be made on our chain. With proposal 6082 passing and increasing the voting requirements to 1 million Terra Luna Classic, we've seen a noticeable decrease in the proposals entering the voting period. We believe that by increasing the deposit amount as well, to hit the deposit tab, we can decrease the amount of scam and spam proposals entering our governance by a significant amount. And I do agree. Right? I mean, absolutely. If you charge more to get up on the board, there's going to be less people that pay it. Now, the scammers who are seeing profit, it's basically like advertising costs for them. They'll continue to pay an elevated advertising cost because they have the conversion rate. They're not going to scam anybody if they don't get the scam out there. But, you know, if they can scam people on Terra Luna Classic by getting their proposal up there, they're going to use it as an advertising cost. So the motivation, we're motivated by the amount of individuals taken advantage of by scam proposals. We also see that there are way too many proposals coming out as of late, and this will aid on cutting down the spam. Look, the scammers, I get it, man. Completely destroy them. Which, at the same time, you know, you can't just make it prohibiting to anybody and everybody to get their proposals out on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. If it's if it's made with honest intentions, you can't like deny that person the ability to put their vote forward. You can't deny that person the ability to even have their thing seen. So the proposal it's simple. Increase the minimum deposit amount to enter the deposit tab from 0 LUNC to 500,000 Terra Luna Classic, which is about 50% of its way into voting. We need to encourage individuals to enter a Agora discussion first, garnering community opinion, and then funding their proposals through the voting tab after approval. This is not going to affect the good actors' ability to fund a proposal. This is a follow-up to proposal 6082, in which the proposed increase the voting minimum from 345,000 to 1 million Terra Luna Classic, and also signaled to increase the minimum deposit amount from 0 to 500,000. So, a lot of discussion down there. Basically, the back and forth is, well, this is too high. 500,000 Terra Luna Classic to even show up on the deposit tab. At the current prices, I think that is, 15 times, I think it's like, $75? Nearly $100 if Terra Luna Classic decides to run up in price a little bit. And although that's not the end of the world, right, to get it, but it is prohibitive. And the question then remains, okay? If people begin making money in Terra Luna Classic, it begins to rise in price steadily and significantly. What happens then? You know, we've got all of this good faith going on, and then we see more spam proposals coming up, or more proposals coming up trying to push the Terra Luna Classic blockchain in this direction or that direction. Do you raise it to 1 million Terra Luna Classic, or do you leave it at those numbers? But all of a sudden, instead of paying $100, $200, you're paying $1,000, $2,000 to have your proposal even proposed, not to get to the voting stage. At what point do you lower it back down because the price of Terra Luna Classic is increasing? I think that it is extremely prohibitive if Terra Luna Classic rises in price like we all want it to, and now all of a sudden you have to pay $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 just for your proposal to be seen. So there do need to be some adjustments to it. There will need to be some adjustments to it, specifically if the price of Terra Luna Classic continues to rise. So I want to know what you guys think about that proposal down in the comments below. Absolutely. I think that it's almost a necessary evil to reduce the spam, but a lot of people saying, well, just put a spam filter up there. I mean, obviously, if the proposals aren't proposing a future for Terra Luna Classic, if they're just airdrop proposals, well, they don't need to be there. Nonetheless, guys, let us know down in the comments below about that, but I want to talk briefly about the price action. Price has been sideways following the overall crypto market. Bitcoin stuck between 16 and 17,000. Terra Luna Classic kind of stuck between 14 and 16,000. Those are the levels you want to look for right now. Bitcoin, very tight levels of support and resistance at 16 and 17. Terra Luna Classic has very tight levels of support and resistance at 1,400 or 14,000 points per coin and 16,000 points per coin. Broken to the upside, you've got 18,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic. Broken to the downside, a very strong 12,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic to hold it up there. But below that, it's not impossible to watch Terra Luna Classic fall lower, especially if the overall cryptocurrency market tends to get hit hard here as 2023 begins to unfold. So I want to know what you guys think. Okay, let me know your thoughts on the proposal, and let me know your thoughts on this very tight level of support and resistance. It will be broken, but I want to know if your expectations are broken to the upside, or expectations are for another pullback and another accumulation period broken to the downside. Let us know down there, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.